Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make amazing tasty taro in coconut sauce known as Nduma in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's recipe, you will need taro or arrowroots in another name. You'll also need a half a kg of meat, which I added some water, salt and ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Then you'll also need 1 sliced onion, a bit of water, 1 sliced large tomato, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 1 cup of light coconut milk, and a bit of salt to taste. So the first step, we are going to boil our lamb meat. Like I said in the beginning, I added some water, salt, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And I will let the meat to boil till soft. While our meat is boiling, in a pot which has the taro, we're going to add 1 cup of light coconut milk, 1 sliced onion, 1 large sliced tomato, a bit of salt, and I will stir a bit and cover to let it boil in a medium heat till soft. Once the taro starts to boil, you'll open the lid and stir them slowly to avoid from mashing them, and cover once more to let it continue cooking. Once you get to see the taros are starting to get soft, add the boiled soft lamb meat in the taros and mix them slowly and cover to let it continue cooking. When you want to mix the taros, make sure you mix them slowly to avoid the taros from mashing out, and let them continue to cook till the stew is less. When the stew is less, check if the taros are soft, and if the taros are soft, remove from the fire and put them aside. Then afterwards, we're going to cook our thick coconut milk. In a small pot, add the thick coconut milk and cook the coconut milk till it becomes more thicker. And after 2 to 3 minutes, your thick coconut milk has to be thick like this, and your thick coconut milk is ready, and remove it from the fire and place aside. Then I'm going to serve my mixed taro roots with meat on a bowl, as you can see in the video. Then lastly, I'm going to add the thick coconut sauce on top of the taros, and my coconut taros and meat is ready. And my tasty coconut taro is ready, as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with chapati, bread or anything you prefer, and enjoy your taros. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of arrowroots, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.